So this video is going to show you how you integrate the digital Watchdog Spectrum software into the MVP access control software from Napco. This is a very easy configuration to do, and what it's going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to put your access control features right through the Spectrum interface. So if you're looking at a camera, you'll be able to unlock and lock a door remotely. You'll be able to pull people who swipe their cards, have bookmark events, things like that. So let me just show you how the setup is done. Very, very simple to do this. So once you're logged into your MVP access control panel, you're going to come down here to your configuration, and there's an integration tab right here. From there, there is a DW Spectrum interface right here. You can click on that. What that's going to do is basically I've already logged in, but what happens is once I log in, it's going to allow me to select a system that's under my cloud account. I've already selected on this tab here the Blackjack Marketing NVR. So what you're going to see is once I select that NVR, it's going to basically bring up all the cameras associated with that NVR. And what you'll see on here is there is the XSPZA. This is one we're going to use for the example. And what you're going to do is once you have that camera up, and maybe this is your front door or whatever it might be, when you select that, what you'll do is you'll just basically select this drop down. This is pulling right from your MVP access control software, our interface, and then you associate what reader is associated to that camera. So let's just say this is reader 1. Once I do that, what's going to happen is I'm associating that reader to this camera. And then what kind of events do you want to pull off of there? Lots of different things. If you want badge events, you could select what you want it to be. What users you want to have access to this, you could select all of that. And then you have this option to display a lock trigger or display an unlock trigger. So you'll see in the Spectrum interface, this is the camera here. You'll notice in the bottom right now, there's really nothing there. I got this little microphone icon. But what'll happen inside of here is once I say, hey, I want to display a lock trigger or I want to do an unlock trigger, I basically select those two, I save all changes. It's going to go ahead and save it for me. And once I do that, now I go back into this camera interface, and now you can see that these soft triggers are created. So if I wanted to unlock a door, I could just simply click here. That'll unlock that door. You'll see in the event timeline over here, if I go to my events, you'll see lock soft trigger was activated. Excuse me, sorry, it's right up here. The unlock hold soft trigger is created right here. If I do the other one, which is your lock trigger, I could do that. But it's all done very easily, quickly. Here's the lock soft trigger, and now you'll see it's located up here. User was Adam Feinberg. So it makes it very easy for you to integrate this too. And like I said, at that point now I can pull reports, I can do whatever I need to do right through the Spectrum interface, not hopping back and forth between the two. Those soft triggers are also available as well in the mobile app. So if you have your mobile app up from the DW Spectrum interface, you'll be able to bring up that Spectrum software or a Spectrum app on your phone and unlock and lock those doors remotely right through there as well. So very, very easy to do, and thank you.